Hello, my name is Anna, and today I'll be presenting the Panama Restoration Lab. The Restoration Lab is a living laboratory to develop, test, and scale nature based solutions that foster economic, social, and climate resilience. Why? Panama needs water needs healthy ecosystems, and we restore ecosystems. Our main focus is ecological restoration. Ecological restoration and regenerative agriculture is our method and our mission. Healthy ecosystems can capture, hold, and redistribute water, regulate temperature, and support life. By cultivating and reestablishing synergies in natural systems, we can turn things around quickly and profitably. Why Panama? The drought induced slowdown of the Panama Canal cost the world economy billions in lost trade. Regional ecological degradation reduces precipitation and water capture. Healthy ecosystems bring rain and capture water. Our strategy is to show that regenerative agriculture and accelerated rewilding can improve hydrology, climate, and local economies in Panama. The bioregion. Panama is a biodiversity hotspot and a global economic acupuncture point. Panama's ecology and economy is vulnerable to climate change, and climate change results from ecological degradation no less than by greenhouse gases. By integrating science, traditional knowledge, and local leadership, we can show how nature based solutions can have benefits on lives and livelihoods. The economic and cultural landscape of the Panama Canal watershed. It is an economic and innovation hub that includes the City of Knowledge, a dynamic innovation hub including universities, NGOs, commercial and logistical activities tied to the Panama Canal and its ports, ecotourism, and cultural tourism. There is also indigenous peoples living in the watershed and on the borders of the watershed, and also farming communities. It is a biodiversity hotspot and it also holds hydrological importance. The Chagres River and other rivers in the basin irrigate the region, feed the Panama Canal, and provide drinking water for local communities and the cities of Panama and Colon. This region is also important for climate regulation. Some of the priority species that you can see in the landscape are the jaguar, the Baird's tapir, the harpy eagle, and the Panamanian golden frog. Beyond the watershed, we are not only working in the watershed, we are partnering with organizations around Panama like Pro Ecoasuero to restore other landscapes. We have an initiative, for example, in the Azuero Peninsula to restore degraded lands. But let's go back to the watershed. Our first pilot project is in La Arenosa within the Panama Canal watershed. Our first pilot will begin by showing how regenerative agriculture in a small pineapple plantation can influence hydrological function, biodiversity, and agricultural yields in the watershed region. The pilot will demonstrate the impacts of regenerative agriculture on soil quality, hydrology, and the socioeconomic benefits that it can bring. What type of BFF are we? We aim to be a bioregional venture studio or a restoration fund, or maybe a hybrid between both, because we will both support initiatives that are nonprofit but also innovative business ideas. We will focus on co created initiatives with communities that can mobilize resources, restore ecosystems, and improve livelihoods and collective well being. Our current governance structure includes a program board that guides the overall vision, made up of both international and local advisors. For on the ground management, we rely on the support of local partners like CCT Foundation. In terms of governance, it's important to mention that the Arenosa pilot is a demonstration site that will serve a proof of concept for the broader vision of restoring the entire Panama Canal watershed. Our actual legal structure. Donations can be routed based on donor preferences or donor requirements. If the donations are preferred to be done in the United States, we have a US based entity, which is Eco Restoration Alliance. If it will be done through a local entity in Latin America or in Panama, it can be via CCC Foundation in Panama. This is the current structure with the resources available, but the following would be the ideal structure. An ideal structure in which the Restoration Lab has its own legal entity and is capable of effectively managing funds. Some similar projects are, for example, the OSA conservation. We are learning from other successful models, such as this one in Costa Rica, which shows that local restoration with science and community at the center are an approach that works. Who are we? We are a diverse network of Panamanian partners in collaboration with international organizations dedicated to accelerating ecosystem regeneration and offer a systemic solution to a systemic problem. Where do we want to go? We are starting with pilot projects and demonstration sites, but the long term vision is to restore the entire Panama Canal watershed landscape. Thank you very much. If you want to learn more about us, you can visit our website or write to our email. Thanks.